Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is to release. What do you need to let go? What does not serve you? Energies that do not transform or that will not transfer into the next level of your blessings, your manifestations, wherever you are going. Probably grudge, anger, resentment, doubt. These are the things you need to let go. And with that open space, fill it with positive energy, prosperity, gratitude, because that will bring you into the next level that you want to go. I stopped fighting my fears and the hardships of life, and I control my thoughts. I live in the present moment, and I accept each stage of life. With each stage of life which is testing you, they're making you stronger. Therefore, you're able to maintain bigger and better blessings. I work on what I have the power over. I put into God's hands what I cannot change. I trust that everything will work out for the best and for your own benefit, which it shall. So love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.